Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today gonna show you how to reset the app preparation and search for other option of your apps. To do this operation, go to your settings and go down to option like saved apps and click on these three dots here. And you can choose reset app preference, and as I said, you can reset it to standard, or you can show the system apps or the app permission which you have granted from other application of your phone. You're gonna see which application has been allowed in many of places. If you want to reset, just reset app preference and to standard version. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!